just click on my yarn lady or click the subscribe button. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Yarnsensation, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you subscribe to my channel, thank you. What we are making, a ruffle dress to fit 18-inch dolls. To get started, grab your crochet hook, 5.00 millimeter, 4 stitch markers, a yarn needle, and we will begin. And make sure to hit my subscribe button, like, and share this video. To get started, you will chain 40. Next, you will place 1/2 double crochet in the second chain from the hook. 1/2 double crochet into the next chain. 1/2 double crochet into the next chain. And you will repeat across 1/2 double crochet in each chain. I am completing my last half double crochet. Row 1 is complete. Next, you will chain 1, turn your work. For row 2, you will place 1/2 double crochet in that first stitch, 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, and repeat across 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. I am completing my last half double crochet for row 2. Next, I will chain 1, turn my work. So for row 3, you will repeat row 2, and you want to continue your rows from 3 to row 15, and we will meet back. I have completed my rows 3 to 15, and this is the wrong side that I just folded, and what you're looking at will be the right side. So for row 16, chain 1, turn your work, and I place a stitch marker on the wrong side just as a reminder. So next, you will place 1 single crochet in that first stitch, 1 single crochet decrease over the next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet decrease over the next 2 stitches, and next you will be placing 1 single crochet in each stitch across, and that will be a total of 27 single crochets. And what I did was place a stitch marker for a reminder, because this side needs to match the first side. So let's do our 27 single crochets, and we will meet at the stitch marker. Once you're at the stitch marker, you will need a total of 6 stitches to complete. You can remove your stitch marker. And you want to complete a single crochet decrease over the next 2 stitches. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet decrease over the next 2 stitches, and 1 single crochet into the last stitch. And we have completed row 16. You want to chain 1, turn your work, and we will prepare for row 17. And what you want to do at the beginning is count over a total of 6 stitches. Place your stitch marker in that 6th stitch and then count over to stitch 12 and place a stitch marker. And you want to repeat the same for the next side. You want to place 1 single crochet into the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, one single crochet in the stitch with your stitch marker. You can remove that stitch marker. Next, you will chain 14, and this will prepare for your armholes. You will be skipping the stitches in between to your next stitch marker. You want to place 1 single crochet in the stitch with your stitch marker. And you completed your first shoulder. You can remove that stitch marker. Next, you will place 1 single crochet in each stitch to the next stitch marker. You will place 1 single crochet in the stitch with your stitch marker. You can remove that stitch marker. And you will be repeating, so you want to chain 14. You will complete 1 single crochet into the stitch with your stitch marker. Remove the stitch marker and complete 1 single crochet in the last stitches of the row. Next, we will single crochet along the side of our work. You want to continue to the last stitch of the side. So place 1 single crochet into the first stitch, and we are working on the side, and 1 single crochet into the next stitch. And our stitches may vary because we're working on the side, and sometimes we select different stitches to complete the side work. And I had a total of 17 single crochets. So if you get a different number, it's okay. Just make sure that the second side, when you work on that, matches this side. So once the side is complete, you will be turning to work the bottom. So you want to slip stitch into that first stitch along the bottom. Next, you will chain 2, and I will carry my yarn tail, and you want to place 2 double crochet into that same stitch. Next, you will place 3 double crochet into the next stitch, and this will start our ruffle. So in each stitch along the bottom, you will be placing 3 double crochets. I am completing my last double crochets for the bottom, and you can see the ruffle now. Very pretty, lots of curves. So now we will work on the next side, and you will do the same by placing one single crochet in each stitch along the side. Just make sure that you have the same amount that you have on the other side. Once you complete your second side of single crochets, the next step will be to slip stitch into that next single crochet. You want to fasten off your work. Leave a long yarn tail to close the back of your dress. And if you carried any yarn tails, you can go ahead and clip those now. And you are looking at the front side, and remember the back side. So you want to fold your work so that the right side is facing you. You want to grab your yarn needle, and you will stitch the two sides together to finish your dress. Okay, so our dress is complete. We have our armholes, have a cute little ruffle, very easy to make, quick to make, and that's it. Thanks everyone for spending a little time with Yarnsensation, and enjoy your dress, and I will see you on the next video.